Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 front grille. First, gather your tools, including a Torx screwdriver and plastic trim removal tools. Make sure your Audi A3 is parked on a flat, stable surface with the engine completely off. Then, open the hood to gain clear access to the upper section of the grille. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Next, focus on the top of the grille. You'll find several Torx screws holding it in place. Carefully remove these. If your grille has sensors or a camera, gently disconnect their electrical connectors. Then, using your plastic trim removal tool, carefully pry up and release the clips along the upper edge of the grille. Take your time to avoid damaging any plastic components. Now, for the lower section, you might need to partially unclip the front bumper to gain better access. This often involves gently pulling back the wheel arch liners to expose additional screws or clips. Be sure to disconnect any wiring for fog lights or parking sensors if they are integrated into the lower grille area. Patience is key here to prevent accidental damage. Finally, with all fasteners and clips released, carefully pull the entire grille assembly straight forward and away from the vehicle. Double-check the bumper area for any overlooked connections or clips before fully detaching. Once removed, store your Audi A3 grille in a safe place to prevent scratches or other damage. You've successfully completed the removal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.